Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to talk about JASMY Coin. It's been about a month since I've done a price prediction on JASMY, so we're going to revisit it, okay? We're going to do stuff a little bit different on this one, so keep watching, okay? Because I'm going to show you guys the 1 hour chart instead of the 4 hour chart, okay? Things have been lingering for quite a long time on all these coins out there. A lot of them swung up, but there's still a whole big batch of them that are just kind of staying down low. So I'm going to look at the 4 or the 1 day chart in this video. So I'm gonna look and see if there's any potential. But for those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I let you follow me on my journey to see that I'm making money, okay? So I let you guys know why I'm picking points, my entry and my exit, so you can understand and see what I'm doing, and I can show you that I'm making money, okay? So let me go ahead. I'm gonna keep moving here quick because I know you guys have seen this before. Let me share my screen. Ding-a-ling. There we go. Here's JASMY. Okay, I am on the 4 hour chart right now. But I'm going to change it to the daily, okay? But I'm going to show something here because there's less candlesticks on the daily. There's a lot more on the 4 hours. So I want to show you something here real quick for those of you guys that are new. So let me go and find XRP. Hold on a second. I want to show you guys, for those of you guys that are new, what I'm talking about. So what I do is I come in and I draw bases on charts. And more often than not, what happens is when price action breaks that base, it'll usually swing back up. I have to use XRP in this example because I'm doing it on the 4 hour, okay? So you can see there's a lot more candlesticks in here to prove my point. So this lets you guys know where the dips are so that you can buy in the dips. They always say buy in the dips and ride it up, right? So like here, it broke this base. As it makes its way down, anywhere in here is the dip, okay? So it broke this base, but it swung up all the way over here. And if it would have missed that, it came back up over here. Here's another example, real quick one right there. Broke it and came right back. It broke this base right here, came back up over here. It broke this base right here, came back up over here. It broke right there and swung up. I'll do a few more here. It broke there. It swung up over here. It broke here a few times, came right back up. It broke down here and it swung up. It broke right there and it swung up. It broke down here twice and swung up. It broke up here and came down and it swung up right over here. Okay, so you guys are getting the gist. I'm showing you guys how you can determine where the bases are. So let me go back to JASMY. We're going to change it to the 1 day chart. Where are you? Oh, we're down at the bottom. JASMY. Okay. Okay, I'm going to change it to the 1 day. Let me shrink it down here so you guys can see. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm just dealing with this area right now, okay? This is based on the 1 hour, the 1 day chart. So the profit potential is still there. It's just not as high as the 4 hour one based upon cracking and coming back up. But things have been lingering down so low that, like, why not take quick profits? Why not wait? Why sit there and hold for months and months and months when you could probably hit a profit a lot quicker, okay? So here's another example. It broke this base and it swung up. It broke this base, lingered down here, swung back up. It broke right there. It swung up over here. It broke there. It swung up. It broke real quick right there and swung up. And this is kind of what we're dealing with right now on JASMY, okay? If you're kind of seeing some stuff that you haven't seen before, please look down below the video right over, I think right over here maybe. And there's a thumbs up icon. If you could please click that with your finger or with your mouse, that lets me know that this has been helpful, interesting information. It helps me also with the YouTube algorithm. YouTube starts recommending my videos to people, okay? So this is what I'm seeing. So get a pen. This isn't advice. This is just what I'm seeing. This is just my opinion, okay? This is where the price is, right over here, 0.020. So we're up right over here. Let me break it like that. So based upon that, I see take profits on a short-term hold, you know, maybe a couple months, right there, 0.035. Okay, that's a trade I could take. I could jump in now, I could let it right up to there, and I could take profit. Still a good profit. Or anywhere all the way up to this. This is what I would consider the top on the 1 day chart, okay? Not on the 4 hour chart like all my other videos, on the 1 day. So on the 1 day chart, I see the top at 0.066, 0.065. It doesn't matter. So anywhere in here, you could set a take profit. It's just a matter of waiting because I've already proved that, you know, it's basically the price goes down and it comes back up. You just have to sit there and wait. So you guys don't have to get all nervous, okay? And let me show you guys this too. Okay, this is my channel. If you click on the videos tab, after you click on my username, you'll see all sorts of price predictions on all sorts of coins that you guys have probably thought about or have invested in. I've got some stocks in there too, but I do have a bunch of old JASMY ones that you guys can go take a look at. Here's one right here. I did it roughly 2 weeks ago. That's based upon the 4 hour chart. And then if I do it again, you'll see when I did one a month ago, I did another one a month ago, I did one 2 months ago. So you guys can come in here and you guys can watch and see what my price prediction was on that. Okay. And for those of you guys that are new, here is my Instagram channel. So what happens is you guys come in and you add comments down below and you say, hey, Ryan, I'm stuck in on this coin. Do you think I should sell? Because it hasn't come back around. I'll take a look at it. Let me know what coin or what stock and what price you paid. I'll take a look at it and I'll see if I think that there's still potential for making a profit. Okay. So that you don't feel like you're wondering if I bought, above the dip. Okay. Let's see here. So go over to investing points, follow me over there. And if you guys want a copy of my spreadsheet, I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Here it is right here. Let me go down here a little bit. Here's my spreadsheet. I document all my trades. I jumped into XLM just 2 days ago. I bought in that much. I bought in 1,000. Okay. And I'm holding on to that long term. And when I say long-term, I'm meaning a year or two. I think this one and XRP, from what I'm hearing, are going to be the good ones for coming forward. Okay. With new financial systems. Okay. So I'm just throwing that out there. It's not advice. That's what I'm doing. I'm heavily into XRP and XLM. Okay. But here's my spreadsheet. So I come in here, let's say I'm jumping into another trade. Let's say I'm going to jump into JASMY right now. I copy that. I paste it. I change the date to the 26th. And then let me blow this up for you guys a little bit. And then I come in here and I say, oh, I'm going to enter in at, come over here at 0.0020. Okay, I'll just say 0.0020, 0.0020. And then I'm going to, let's say I want to do a short-term one on this one. I'm going to write it up to, let's say, right there, 0.040. So I come in here and I go, this is my exit right here, 0.040. And if I put 1,000 in, I get 50,000 coins and it makes me 100% of my money. Pretty good, right? If you change it to 500, it's going to double it. 500 profit. This is my profit. This is my percentage. And once they clear, I say cleared. And then I go on to the next one. So I can document everything. And you guys can see I'm holding on a bunch of coins here. These are the ones that have cleared. Let me bring this down a little bit. These are the ones that have cleared. I got some more right here. And then I've got 3 there. I've got 2 there. And then I've got a bunch in here that have cleared. Okay. So you guys are seeing that I'm making my money. My method works. Look at all those that have cleared. You'll see some reds. It's just because I sold early. I got nervous early on. I was doing stop losses. I don't sell early on anymore. I don't do stop losses anymore because I was losing money with them. I just sit back and I wait. Okay. When you're in a bear market, you have to hold a little bit longer. But if you want to copy the spreadsheet, head over to my Instagram, Investing Points, go over there, follow me, and then send me a DM message and just say, Ryan, can you email me the spreadsheet? And give me your email address, don't forget, and then I'll email it over to you for free, okay? So that is it for this video. I hope it's been helpful. If you have friends that are in on crypto, please send them a link to it because they're probably not familiar with breaking bases and coming back up and being able to buy in the dip. A lot of times I would used to go in and I go, I guess here's looks like a good spot, and I would jump in, or I would look at all the other indicators and I would see, okay, the SMA line's getting ready to cross the other line. And then I would go now, I would jump in on it. And then all of a sudden it would drop. So I'm a lot more successful with my new method. So send an email to your friends and please give me one of these. And remember, over here in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, please subscribe and smack that bell when it pops up and choose all. So you're notified when I come up with the next video. All right. Thanks guys for watching, and please check out my other videos. Bye-bye.